So in this game time tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy tickets with Affirm here on Gametime. So once Gametime is opened up, go to the bottom right and press on Profile. Then once you guys are on this screen, which I just jumped to, but payment methods, go ahead and press on that. Make sure that Affirm is selected. So once Affirm is selected like this, it'll actually now be your default payment method here. So if I were to go buy tickets, for example, I'll go to buy and I will do this Bills Patriots game as an example. I'll just go ahead and proceed this way as an example. Now where it says payment right here, you can go ahead and make sure that Affirm is selected. Now if you were to go to the bottom and try to check out, it'll be connected to your Affirm account and you can pay with Affirm that way when purchasing tickets. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can buy tickets with Affirm here on Gametime. Thanks again for watching and I hope this video helps.